Get ready for the dictation. Ready, start. These appeals arise from a judgment of the High Court of Judicature at Patna in the writ petitions filed by the respondents. Stop. The writ petitions were allowed by the High Court and the appellant dash estate was directed to refund the license fee and the differential amount recovered from the respondents for the period during which their premises were unlawfully sealed oblique closed. Stop. As the facts of each case are different, we proceed to deal with the appeals separately. Stop para. A tender notice dated 31.01.2014 was issued by the Department of Excise and Prohibition, Government of Bihar, inviting applications for grant of exclusive privilege for manufacture and supply of country liquor in PET bottles. Stop. The state was divided into 17 zones and the 17 lowest applicants in the financial bid would be eligible for grant of exclusive privilege in accordance with their preference to a particular zone. Stop. By an order dated 04.03.2014, exclusive privilege for manufacturing and supply of country liquor for Zone 11 consisting the districts of Muzaffarpur, Sitamarhi and Sohar for the period between 1.4.2014 to 31.03.2019 was awarded to Messrs. Riga Sugar Company Limited hereinafter, the respondent stop. The base rate fixed for supply of 200 ml PET bottle of country liquor was fixed at rupees 5.78 - stop. The difference between the base price and the bid price in this case rupees 4.07 - calculated on the minimum guarantee quantity MGQ was payable by the supplier to the government in advance for a period of every 3 months, that is on 15th March, 15th June, 15th September and 15th December. Stop. As per the tender conditions, the supplier is required to obtain a license in Form 27 for manufacture and supply of country liquor to Bihar State Beverage Corporation Limited BSBCL at the rate of rupees 1 per litre calculated on the minimum guaranteed quantity. Stop. Para. The respondent was required to supply 5,25,220.786 LPL country liquor for 60-degree strength per month. Stop. After issuance of a letter of grant on 4.3.2014, a liquor license was obtained by the respondent. Stop. Pursuant thereto, the respondent established a bottling plant at Muzaffarpur and commenced production and supply of country liquor to BSBCL on 1.2.2015. Stop. As the respondent was not supplying the prescribed quantity of country liquor to BSBCL, a warning was issued to ensure that the prescribed quantity of country liquor was supplied. Stop. On 9.12.2015, a penalty of rupees 1 lakh was levied on the respondent for non-supply of minimum quantity of country liquor. Stop. Pursuant to the inspection report dated 13.12.2015, the premises of the respondent was sealed by the Superintendent of Excise, Muzaffarpur for non-supply of minimum quantity of country liquor. Stop. Para. The state of Bihar announced a new excise policy and imposed total ban on consumption of alcohol in the state in a phased manner. Stop. The new excise policy, which was announced on 21.12.2015 contemplated that no license for manufacturing, trading and consumption of country liquor shall be granted from 1.4.2016 stop. The respondent questioned the order dated 13.12.2015 by which its premises was sealed by filing a writ petition stop. Lack of opportunity to the respondent before the order of sealing was passed prompted the High Court to allow the writ petition by its judgment dated 25.01.2016 stop. In the meanwhile, the license of the respondent was suspended for a period of 90 days by an order dated 20.01.2016 issued under section 42 3 of the Bihar and Odisha Excise Act, 1915 for short the act as the liquor supplied by the respondent was found to be of higher strength of 70.8 degree UP instead of required strength of 60 degree UP stop. Another writ petition was filed by the respondent questioning the order of suspension dated 20.01.2016 which was dismissed as withdrawn in view of the order of the Excise Commissioner, Bihar dated 4.02.2016 by which the earlier order of suspension dated 20.01.2016 was withdrawn stop. A notification was issued on 4.2.2016 directing that production, sale and utilization of all country liquor shall be completely prohibited in the state of Bihar with effect from 1.4.2016 and that the remaining stocks of all country liquor lying in the outlets as on 31.03.2016 shall be destroyed. Stop over.